We spend hours in meetings, watching videos, or recording ideas, but when it's time to actually use that information, most of it gets lost. Important points are missed, action items are forgotten, and rewatching everything just wastes more time. Today, I'm presenting you a tool called Clipto AI. It helps you record, transcribe, and instantly turn audio or video into clear text, smart summaries, and usable content. In this video, I'll show you how Clipto AI fits into a real workflow and how it can save you time in everyday work and content creation.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching gurrutechsolutions.
First, log in to the Clipto AI official website. As soon as you enter the dashboard, you'll see the main interface of the platform. Here, Clipto AI offers a variety of powerful AI tools that help you handle different content-related tasks easily. The overall interface is clean, simple, and very user-friendly. On this screen, all the available tools are clearly displayed. You'll find the meeting note taker, which automatically turns conversations into clear and well-structured notes. Next, there's AI transcription, where you can upload audio or video files and instantly convert speech into text. You also get a media downloader, which allows you to download videos from most popular platforms. For Mac users, there's an asset search feature that lets you search any specific scene from your media files with just one click. And finally, there's Lightcut, which helps you streamline and extend your videos within seconds. Below all of this, you can also see your recent projects, making it easy to continue where you left off. Overall, the interface is very intuitive and easy to navigate. Now, let's get started with AI transcription. Inside the AI transcription section, you have three main options. First, you can transcribe a local file by uploading any audio or video directly from your device. Second, you can transcribe an online file by pasting a media link from platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Google Drive, TikTok, X, Instagram, and many more. And third, you can record your own voice directly within Clipto AI for up to 6 hours and get the transcription in real time. This recording feature is especially useful for content creators who deal with long videos, podcasts, interviews, or meetings that last more than an hour. Now, let's try the online file transcription. First, we'll open YouTube and copy the link of our video. After copying the video link, we'll come back to Clipto AI and simply paste the URL into the transcription field. Once pasted, click on the Transcribe button. Before the transcription starts, you'll see a few options. You can choose the input language or keep it on auto detection, which automatically detects the spoken language. You also have the option to translate the output into another language. Additionally, you can enable speaker identification, which is very useful if your audio or video contains multiple speakers. After selecting the required options, click on Transcribe and the AI will start processing your video. Once the transcription is complete, you'll see the output in text form. This isn't just a simple transcript. Clipto AI actually understands the content. At the top, you'll see a comprehensive summary of the video, followed by key topics, insights, takeaways, conclusions, and decisions. Below that, you'll find the full transcription, word by word, along with accurate timestamps showing exactly when each sentence or paragraph starts and ends. This feature is extremely helpful if you want to study content from other YouTube channels, research new video ideas, or analyze long videos quickly. It's also perfect if you're running out of content ideas and want structured insights from existing videos. If you want to go even deeper, you can interact with this content using the Clipto AI chat feature. Here, you can ask questions directly related to the transcribed content. For example, we can ask, are the slides generated using Notebook LM editable? As you can see, the AI answers this question accurately based on the original video content. It clearly explains that slides generated using Notebook LM are not editable in their default format, and also highlights the reasons behind it. This shows that Clipto AI doesn't just provide transcripts, it actually understands the topic, context, and key points of your content. You can simply copy the transcription, or you can generate a summary directly by clicking on the Summarize Transcript option. Once you click on Summarize, Clipto AI will ask what type of summary you want. Here, you'll see 3 different summary options: a brief summary, a detailed summary, or a summary based on the speaker. You can select any option based on your needs. In this case, we'll choose the brief summary option, which actually provides a well-structured and informative overview of the topic. Once selected, the AI instantly generates a clear and detailed summary of the content, as you can see here. If you want, you can also download everything. You can download the full transcription or download it with timestamps and summary included. Clipto AI also gives you multiple export formats, such as Word, plain text, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. This is extremely useful for video editors and content creators. So simply select your preferred format and click on the download button. The file will be downloaded directly to your computer. Now, let's move on to another powerful feature called Record and Transcribe. Imagine you're in a long interview or meeting, sometimes lasting up to 6 hours. It's almost impossible to remember every detail or key discussion point afterward. This is where the Record and Transcribe feature becomes incredibly useful. All you need to do is click on the Record and Transcribe button, and the recording will start instantly. If you prefer, you can also use the Clipto AI browser extension. Simply download the extension, pin it to your browser, and you're ready to go. Now, let's say you're in an online interview. Once the interview starts, you can click on the Clipto extension in the top corner and press Start Recording. Here, you also have the option to enable or disable your microphone. If your microphone is enabled, it will record both your voice and the interviewer's voice. This is very useful if you only want the speaker's voice without including your own. Once the interview is finished, simply open the Clipto extension again and click Stop Recording. The recording will automatically upload to Clipto AI servers. After the upload is complete, you can click on the View option. Once the transcription is complete, you'll be able to view a speaker-based summary along with speaker names, keywords, important decisions, key discussion points. This makes it extremely easy to understand what was discussed without listening to the entire interview again. You'll also see a full summary followed by speaker-wise transcription with timestamps, which gives you complete clarity on who said what and at what time. On top of that, you can also chat with the transcription. For example, if you forget the purpose of the meeting, you can simply ask, "What was the goal of this meeting?" The AI will instantly show you the meeting goal, key points, decisions made, and next steps. This saves a massive amount of time and effort. Overall, Clipto AI is very easy to use, yet extremely powerful. It's a huge time saver for content creators, professionals, students, and anyone who works with long audio or video content. If you're looking for a tool that helps you stay focused and work smarter, this tool is definitely worth trying. I've added the link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tool tutorials like this.